Yo, here's Cubis, don't act stupid. You know what, maybe I'm foolish, but I just do it. So fluid, when I spit on the mic, you know that I get right to it. Here was Zebra Corn, what you gonna say? Wanna see some porn? Well, look the other way, cause what we do here is art. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm just flowing off the brain, and I'm smart. Oh man, sharp as a dart. What you gonna say? I'm pop like a tart. Not really, I'm more indie. I don't know what I'm saying, but I know that you don't go, oh not Willie, cause I go by Cubis. What you gonna say? I knew this. I'm a genius when I go to rapping. I don't know what I'm saying, but suck the penis slapping. I don't know what I'm saying, but you hear me quacking. No, you better duck before you go. Shit, I don't know what I'm saying, but I spit so flow like an ocean spray. Oh shit, that go cray. I don't know that Jay-Z and Kanye thing, but anyway, what you gonna say? It may be just flowing off the brain, just going insane when I do it through the membrane like Cypress Hill. Oh my god, you know you can't go away and fight with Will, cause I'm Iron Mike, iron tight. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm high as kite. I don't go there, oh shit, no way, I'm not going nowhere. Oh well, I don't know what I'm saying, just going crazy when I flow through like an ice storm. I don't know what I'm saying, but it might form another Super Saiyan type of flow when I go Goku, oh ho, Kama, yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna be going sorry now. I don't know what I'm doing, but you might be calling me a liar. Nah, I'm a lion, huh? I don't know what I'm saying, but you better be saying